Yo, what is good, YouTube? I am back. Today we got another case that came in the building for the Galaxy Z Fold 8. And I want to send a huge shout out to the folks over at Benks. I really appreciate you guys for sending me out the Armor Grand Combo. Inside of this box, you will get the screen protector, you're gonna get the front part of the case, and then you're gonna get the back part of the case. This is Pro full coverage, built with Kevlar. So this thing right here should be able to stop a bullet, if I'm not mistaken. We got anything on the back here? Yes, we do. And you guys can pause that and read it for yourself if you would like. All right, y'all, so let's go ahead and get into it. All right, there we go. Ooh, look at the presentation here. So you get the Hinge phone case, glass warrior screen protector, and I think it's maybe something under it. Yep, front phone case. So this is the front of the case. This is the actual case, and then you got glass warrior screen protector. So let's go ahead and check out this glass warrior screen protector real quick, because I want to see what this thing hitting on. You get some stickers, cleaning wipes, and all that good stuff. We're gonna need this. And you get some information on how to apply this on the phone. Hey, ooh, look at this. I hope it comes with like some type of, alignment tray. Yep, just as I said that, y'all. Just as I said that. Here is the tray. Now let's check out the Hinge case. This case right here, it costs a whopping $100 and I want to say $14. Could went on sale by now, but at the time of me filming this video, this case right here is over $100. And let's get into the front phone case. This is what we are working with, y'all. So you get the installation tray, you get your wet wipes and stuff, you get your tempered glass screen protector, you get the case. You get an adhesive strip that comes with it. Ooh, this right here looks kind of dope. Go ahead and get rid of this. But look at this, y'all. This is dope. Built with Kevlar, armor grid, snap on for effortless magnetic power. Pretty dope. Now let's check out the front case. And here we go, y'all. Go ahead and peel this off. Little front case. So this is what we're working with, y'all. Let's go ahead and put on the screen protector first. Dust removable stickers. You get a cleaning cloth. And you get your cleaning wipe. Go ahead and open this. Hopefully it's a big one. I know a lot of these companies, they be skimping out trying to send you the little small ones. Like, bro, you know this is not gonna clean nothing. Okay, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. They gave us a big one, y'all. We get the big one today. Pause. Now, take your microfiber cleaning cloth and dry it off. All right, and then take our dust stickers, and we're gonna look for any dust. If you look at it, you can see that you see a part that says top, and at the bottom, Fold 8 at the bottom. So what you want to do is take this, slap it over the Z Fold 8, take your tempered glass, and you want to slide it through the bottom, let it fall, and then you remove it, and you should be good to go. This doesn't go edge to edge, and they didn't include a squeegee, so we're gonna see if we can just push those bubbles out, and if they don't go away, they will disappear within a few days. But hey, this is what it will look like. So now let's go ahead and slap the back part of the case on, which is pretty easy. Slap it on. And we take the front of the case, slap this on as well. Look at this. Now, what do y'all think of this? This is absolute fire. Does not add a whole lot of bulk to the device, and I think this goes good with the graphite color. While we're looking at the back, let's go over. You got your cameras, and it goes over the cameras, so you should be protected. I mean, look at this Kevlar on the back, which looks really nice. Now, my only thing is, you know, fingerprints. You know, I have oily skin, so we shall see how long this lasts over time, but for now, this looks actually pretty good. On the side, volume up and down, and you got it cut out for your power button. A little subtle logo on the side, Benks. Up top, cut out for your speaker and your mic. On the bottom, you have your cutout for your Type-C, your other speaker, mic. And you're getting protection with the front facing case here, so you don't have to worry. We got a tempered glass on here as well, so if you drop it, you should be good to go. Now, you're not getting much protection on the inside. Check out the thinness right there. Y'all see how thin that is? And when it's closed, it's still kind of thin. Let's check out the hinge protection. You are totally protected when it comes to the hinge. Nothing is exposed, so if you drop it and it lands on the hinge, yeah, you are good to go. So, oh yeah, let's check out wireless charging real quick. As you can see it right there, wireless charging works, so you don't have to worry. You should be good to go for you wireless charge lovers out there, and you MagSafe accessory lovers out there. You should be good. All right, y'all, so this right here was the Benks Armor Grand Combo. You can pick this up for yourself. I'll leave a link down below in the description if you guys are interested in this case. And you might get lucky, there may be a coupon code down there as well to help you offset the cost a little bit. So yeah, check the link in the description. If you guys enjoyed today's video, then do the homie a favor, hit the like, hit the subscribe, because once again, your boy is gonna be dropping mad videos on the Galaxy Z Fold 8. Appreciate you for watching, and as always, stay safe, stay blessed, and I'll holler at you in my next video. Later.